All right, guys, welcome back to Ozark Mountain Garage. Haven't done the race car stuff in a little bit. Been working on my shop and got it closed in with the cement slab, so we're good to go. But yeah, working on a side by side today, and basically I'm taking doors that look like that and converting them to look like this. And I'll show you how I do it. I'm using some Gorilla tapes, real thick. Also using a small pair of scissors and a small razor knife. I've got a heat gun as well. And basically what you want to do, I'm going to take this loose. Basically what you want to do is, if you've got a table, that table you can use to help stretch it. I think that'll really help. But that's what I'm using. But yeah, you take your side-by-side door, lay it out, and I just take a clean rag, spray some soap and water on a clean rag, and wipe it down. Don't want to saturate it because it's material to hold water. But yeah, once you get it clean, then you can turn around and take that old ugly door and turn it into something that looks nice. Yeah. I'm also working on the seats. The seats I just wanted to do a test run on the seat, on the side by side, to see if it was going to hold up well, and did some repairs on the seat over here, and it's sticking really well. And I'm going to go ahead and cover these seats with the same material. So yeah, if you're wondering if you can use tape and make a repair, it really helps to have a heat gun. You can help stretch the tape and follow your seams nice and tight so it sticks good. And just make sure you get it clean before you put it on there, and then the heat gun will help it stick. But yeah, this stuff is really thick. It's Gorilla Glue, Gorilla tape, and this stuff it's a nice thick tape. And of course, it helps to use gloves so that you don't get the oil from your fingers on there and affect it not sticking. But yeah, quick and easy way to improve the look of your side-by-side and get it longevity for your doors and seats. And I'll do a little after video after I finish covering the seats. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, welcome back to Ozark Mountain Garage. Just wanted to show you an update. We had some seats that were tore up. The doors were all tore up from dogs, and just going through rough brush. But anyway, I want to show you the outcome. The doors, I like them. They turn out, they definitely look a lot better than they did before. Using that Gorilla tape. Now, it is time consuming. I used 50 bucks worth of material on that Gorilla tape. It's real thick, heavy duty. I used a heat gun. Took a lot longer than I expected. It took right at 2 hours per door. By the time you pull the door off, clean it up, and then clean it, dry it, and then apply the thick tape. That's about 2 hours per door. And then the seats took me about 2 hours. Just did the bottom. Over there just did the repairs. Over here, if I had to do it again, it had a pretty bad hole here. And if I had it to do all over, I would have reinforced that first and then started from the outside, and worked my way in. That way, you know, the edge of the tape, you're sliding in and you're not trying to pull the tape off. But yeah, it turned out pretty decent. I think it looks so much better, man. 100% better than what it did before. But it is time consuming. I replaced the clips, so I had to replace 3 of the 4 clips on it. And that wasn't bad. It was like 20 bucks on eBay for the clips. But yeah, the tape, I bought a roll of 4, and it's 80 bucks. So the tape is expensive. It's not cheap. But I would assume it's cheaper than buying new doors and new seats. And I like the look of the doors. I think they look you know, decent. Of course, the new door would probably look better, I'm sure. But anyway, that's it. Want to thank you for watching Ozark Mountain Garage, and hopefully we see you again soon. Thank you.